1080p 4-inch dual-lens HD car DVR rearview video dash cam recorder camera G-sensor. 100% brand new and high quality. Essential in your car. 3 lens. There are 3 cameras to record from. The front camera is full HD 1080p, the rearview camera and the inside camera is 720p, which can record anywhere around your car and inside of your car. It supports picture-in-picture loop recording. Seamless loop recording system provides theoretically unlimited storage from the TF card. Smart G-sensor, motion detection, parking monitoring system will automatically detect ignition/motion/crash/vibration. G-sensor will keep the important fragment recorded by G-sensor in your micro TF card. Parking mode triggered by the G-sensor can be considered as a sentry, recording any motion and significant impact happen around your car when you leave. Night vision and waterproof rear view LE. It can capture clear images in low light condition. More information in the video description. Watch now, don't miss this opportunity and have the highest security monitoring system for your car. Subscribe to this channel and have the best offers of the most modern gadgets or devices. If you liked it, don't forget to like it. See you soon.